I like cake! Good morning, Hazel. Good morning, Jennifer. Morning, Harp. Ooh, sounding a bit out of tune. Hi, Irene. Hi, Kevin. Bye, Kevin. Bye, Irene. Good morning, Avocado. What's the matter?
I found a surprise birthday cake outside and ate too much of it.
What's a surprise birthday cake?
It's the kind of cake you eat at the surprise parties.
What's a surprise party?
It's a party for someone you really love, but 10 times better, because it's a surprise.
Uh-oh, here comes another one. Oh no. I gotta see this cake. Yum, it looks and tastes amazing. Drinks. Oh wow, that's got some fizz. Yeah! Finley loves a party, Finley loves a cake. Everyone loves Finley, so let's all celebrate. And if you eat too much and your tummy starts to hurt, you're gonna feel much better if you do a burp.
You're absolutely right.